You are so cute. Look at the variegation. Awesome. When it comes to expanding your plant collection, our usual go-to method involves taking cuttings and trying to root them, often with disappointing outcomes. However, there is a gardening trick that guarantees 100% success rate using the traditional technique of air layering. You can replicate or clone your preferred trees like branches from your fruit trees or citrus trees. Even those new to gardening can effortlessly achieve success with these approaches, with or without the need for rooting hormone. Plus, these methods yield new plants that are exact replicas of the parent plant, inheriting all of its characteristics. So today we are cloning our beloved hydrangeas, the incredible hydrangea and the classic snowball viburnum. For an easy rooting method, I prefer jiffy pellets. Begin by soaking the jiffy in warm water about a minute until it swells. Next, cut the jiffy halfway open and set aside. With a sharp knife or razor, make cuts about 2 inches apart, both above and below the stem. The closer these cuts are to the node, the quicker rooting occurs. Okay, so let's pause a minute. Now let's address a possible or potential issue that may arise during this process. If the cambium here, the first initial tissue layers on the stem, is not completely removed, the stem may struggle to develop roots. So take care to completely remove it as much as you can. So scrape this the cambium completely. Now, using rooting hormone is optional, but I am using rooting hormone in this propagation because it helps me speed up the rooting process. And I spray the stem with water to help the powder adhere to it. With my brush, I'm going to dab this powder I place the GP and wrap with black plastic. I want to keep this dark and make sure the sun doesn't get into the propagation area. Then with my bobbin, I'm going to clip below. And I will clip again the top. to secure the propagation. Alright, so that's it, folks. That's how easy doing the early layering. So you can clone as many plants as in your garden using this method. So give it a try, and I hope this video helps you. If you have any comments or if you have any other ideas in early layering your plants, comments below. And thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Peace out.